Okay, I'm gonna mess this one up for Youngbo. He's not watching. Are you watching, Youngbo?
No.
Okay, so he's turned around. Turn around. Mess it up real good. Hey, Tommy, come over here. Can you mess it up a little bit too? Say hi. No, Teddy Bear. All right, mess it up real good. Make sure Youngbo can't get it.
You want me to do it too?
Sure. Spin it a couple times.
And make it sure you'll make it.
Just a random spin. All right, close your eyes and spin it.
I can't spin with my eyes closed.
Okay. All right, now give it to me. All right, Youngbo. Come here.
Here, wait. You want me to get my timer going?
And ready, set, go. Ten seconds.
I have some grease on my fingers.
20 seconds.
That's so stupid.
30 seconds. One minute.
Mommy, I can't find my Rubik's Cube.
Solved. I'll help you in a minute.
Nope. 1 minute, 10 seconds.
So slippery. I forget what I was doing.
Is it messing you up?
Yeah. Oh, 30.
All right, that was a minute and 20 seconds. Wow.